Join me as I take on the challenge of harvesting guavas straight from my garden and turning them into a delicious treat for the table. Guavas are a delicious and nutritious fruit, packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making them a great addition to any meal. Harvesting guavas can be a bit tricky. People often struggle with timing, trying to figure out when the fruit is ripe and ready to be picked. Another common challenge is knowing the right tools to use. Some people use scissors, while others prefer to use their hands. Many gardeners also face the problem of bruising the fruit during the harvesting process, which can reduce its freshness and quality. The right technique is crucial to avoid damaging the fruit, and that's what we'll be covering in this video. Guavas are typically ready to be harvested when they're slightly soft to the touch and have a sweet aroma. To identify ripe guavas, look for a yellow or red skin, depending on the variety, and a slight give when you press on the skin. The best method for harvesting guavas is to gently twist the fruit, taking care not to pull or tug on the stem. Once you've harvested your guavas, it's essential to handle them with care to preserve their freshness. Ripeness is key when it comes to flavor and texture, so make sure to only pick guavas that are fully ripe. You can also use a combination of sight, smell, and touch to determine ripeness. Freshly harvested guavas can be enjoyed on their own, or used in a variety of recipes, from jams and preserves to salads and smoothies. To keep them fresh for longer, store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. When you take that first bite of a freshly harvested guava, the explosion of flavors and textures is incredible. The sweetness hits your taste buds first, followed by a burst of tanginess. The freshness of the guava is unmistakable, and it's a truly satisfying experience. That first taste is what makes all the hard work of harvesting worth it. You can't replicate that flavor with store-bought guavas. The flavor and freshness of freshly harvested guavas are unmatched, and it's an experience you won't want to miss. That first taste is what makes all the effort of growing and harvesting guavas so rewarding. The combination of sweet and tangy flavors is a treat for the taste buds, and it's a great way to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvesting guavas is a fun and rewarding experience, and it's a great way to get outside and connect with nature. In this video, we covered the importance of proper harvesting techniques and the benefits of enjoying fresh guavas. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy delicious, freshly harvested guavas right from your own garden. If you've had any experience with harvesting guavas, or have any tips to share, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out our next video for more fruit gardening tips.